Who's most likely to? Cousin edition. Most likely to stay single for the rest of their life.
All the single ladies, all the single.
Looks like a baddie but is actually a softie.
You are my honey bun sugar plum.
Mom of the group.
Family.
The best alcohol drinker.
I drink till I'm drunk, yeah, smoke till
Has the worst taste in boys.
heart been broke so many times.
Is the biggest crybaby. Acts like a hoe but is actually innocent.
You make it look like it's magic.
Has the strongest personality.
Die first in a zombie apocalypse.
Who's the meanest? Most likely to get into a fight. Most emotional. Most likely to do weird things in public. Most likely to get pregnant after a one-night stand. Who catches feelings quickest? Most likely to break someone's heart. Who's the funniest? Who's the alcoholic? Most likely to get cheated on? Most likely to catch an STD? Most likely to become a porn star?
Can't handle a love life.
It's just me, myself, and I.
Who's the biggest player? Who gets played the most?
Put up with your pussy for the left hand.
Who's the most loyal?
'Cause whether I'm down or whether I'm up.
Who's most likely to kill someone?
I get locked up, they won't let me out.
Whose ex is the ugliest?
Bitch, you proud. Shout out, don't talk to
Who's most likely to become a druggie?
Code 45 and 2 zigzags. Baby, that's how
Who's the crybaby?
So cry if you need to, but I can't.
Who dated people under their league?
Would you love me if I was down and out?
Who can't go a week without texting their ex?
Hey, ma, how you doing? It's your son now.
Sino ang pinakamabait?
Tutunali ko matutunay yung
Sino ang pinakagwapo at maganda?
buhay ko.
Sino ang pinakatoyoin?
Ko alam bakit ka ganyan.
Sino ang pinakamapanglait?
Hola, matali-tali.
Sino ang pinaka-favorite ng tatay niya?
Papa, naaalala mo pa ba?
Sino ang pinaka may konting ex?
But I still had you first. Oh, oh, oh.
Sino ang pinaka binabalikan ng ex?
Pa rin ang baby ko, ang baby ko.
Sino ang pinaka ghoster?
Boo! Bitch, I'm a ghost.
Sino ang pinaka maraming pera?
It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money.
Pinaka moldito. Pinaka makulit. Pinaka tarantado.
I don't need your hands up.
Pinaka matagal mag-reply.
'Cause I felt sad, love.
Pinaka sweet na pati langgam-lalanggami.
Yes, please.
Pinaka mabait.
The Lord of my soul.
Pinaka dugyot. Pinaka masakit magsalita.
Alam mo ba kung lupitang banat to? Hindi ka na dito.
Pinaka marupok.
Sa'yo ako ay marupok. Sa
Pinaka malakas amats.
And the JV's on the.
Pinaka mapanglait.
mundong tulunod sa inggit. Puro linta ko magsi...
Sinong mas matangkad?
Pam 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 param param pam sumabay.
Sino ang marupok?
Sa'yo ako'y marupok sa pag-ibig.
Sino ang mas cute?
Potage, trop loin.
Sino ang mahilig sa hotdog at itlog?
Ang hotdog, kaya mo ba to?
Sino ang na-friend zone?
Oh my God.
Sino ang mahilig sa mas bata sa kanya? Sino ang singer?
Like Barcelona, Real Madrid.
Sino ang dancer? Sino ang mas wild?
Pinutok ko, pinasok ko, and boy!
Sino ang mas banal?
Hallelujah.
ang pinili? Sinong pinakamakulit? Sinong uto-uto? Sinong pinakamabait?
Hindi ka kagandahan, pero mabait.
Sinong laging tanga?
Bumiti lang siya sa'yo, bumalik agad ang feelings mo.
Sinong laging tamad? Sinong maraming crush?
Salamat dumating ka sa akin sa taon na to. Kahit di mo ko jowain, maiba naman ako.
Sino ang toyoin?
Kasi alam ko naman na lagi dito toyo ka lang.
Sino agad ang nagtatampo? Sino takot sa commitment?
Di ako panglaro, kaya kung
Sino mahilig bumalik sa ex?
ako ay marupok sa pag-ibig.
Sino mahilig mang-ghost?
Ghost mo, teka, madali.
Sino madalas gumala?
Can you stay up all night? Fuck me.
Sino mahal pa ang ex?
Huwag ka marupok, wag.
Sino KJ sa inuman?
Baby, can I dance with you tonight?
Nakamatagal kumilos? Sino pinaka-wild?
Showing me why.
Ito ang iyakin?
Iiyakan na naman.
Pinakatamad?
Siwan tamad.
Sino ang may maraming manliligaw? Pinaka-inosente?
Bless the Lord, oh my soul.
Palaging bumabalik sa ex?
Sa'yo ako ay marupok sa
Sino pinaka-wild?
showing me why.
Sino mahilig manlait?
Mundong to'y lunod sa inggit. Puro linta ko magsisipsip.
Pinakamasakit mag-real talk?
Alam mo bang malupitang banat to? Hindi ka na dito belong.
Sino palaging lasing?
Masakit sa ulo yan, lakas tama na naman.
Pinakamakulit?
Nang giling-giling, sarap ng
Pinaka-sweet na pati langgam lalanggamin?
sugar. Yes, please.